Hey everyone, Nicole here with CellBotics. So I wanted to make a quick video of the space. It is almost done. We're actually going to have class on Monday. It is the 31st today. Yes, I'm here working. No, I'm not celebrating the new year. This is my celebration, right? But we're going to have class on Monday as it is right now. We still have some things that we're doing, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. So we've got our little laser machine here. This is a little trick that we use to heat iPads. We got that from the Art of Repair. Yeah, just some other tools and things like that everybody gets to learn on in class. These are the desk setup, my office, which is a mess. All right, let's see over here. Okay, then we have Tanisha's office. Right now, Tanisha's office, okay, bathroom. Computer equipment for Michelle's classes. Come over here, we've got the men's bathroom. If you've been watching, this wall was not here. This is all going to be cleaned today. This is our break room, really coming together. I love it in here. This is like my favorite place because it has these really big, beautiful windows. And I don't know what it is. I just like watching the traffic go by. Hope I'm not making you guys sick, moving in circles so much. All right, and then this is the technician room. So we're going to be doing repairs in here. These desks are going to be out for a lease. So if you're someone who's entering repair in Atlanta and you need a space to work in and you want to be around amazing people who do this every day and you want to get some traffic, because eventually we'll just let you help with our flow. You'll be able to rent a desk and pay a monthly fee for that. So if you kind of think of a business incubator for cell phone technicians, don't mind the floor. This is all going to be cleaned. We're actually getting it steamed. Yeah, so we are doing great and just so ready to get people in here and all of our new services. So can't wait to see you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Also, go check me out on my Facebook group. If you look on Facebook for cell phone repair for beginners, that's actually my Facebook group for people that have not taken our course. Of course, we have a private Facebook group for people that have taken our course. But go ahead and go to that Facebook group and follow me. And if you're on the Clubhouse app, go to @CellBotics and follow me and connect with me there because I'm going to be doing some Clubhouse things and giving out some really good knowledge, okay? All right, thanks, guys.